gonna out snipe you, man.
Eliminate all
He's
hostile
over
threats
there.
in the area.
That was mine.
Alright.
That was fun.
It's fine.
Decoy destroyed. Here's a decoy. He's behind, like on this side of them. He's coming. My,
That's a pop it up on the hill.
I know, but he's coming on my right side somewhere. He's there. He's still there, man.
He's
Careful!
behind me.
He's what? Behind?
Yeah, he's over this side.
I need to headshot him, man, because other than... Fuck, I'm going to revive you, man. Ah, fuck, use...
Get home,
Okay, I have an idea. Costag.
bitches.
Oh,
Camping
I'm
again.
charging. You sniping, I'm
Soldier has
charging.
been eliminated.
But you need to spot him. You need to help me out.
If I spot him, he's dead, because that's the point.
Over there. Okay.
Yeah, he's over there, right there. Thought you were rushing, dude.
Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah, but
He's moved now.
I know. He down you?
Yeah, just keep going. He's over same place he's at. I got a surprise for him.
Fuck you, puppet. Oh my god! You know I fucking.
I don't even need tactic, dude. I can beat you guys all night.
Oh fuck!
What?
Don't fucking snipe it, or snipe the same gun, cell blaster, whatever you know.
No, you cannot use the same gun I'm using. You can't do that. That's
I'm
the
not.
one rule we have.
Puppet, you don't give a you don't understand that this
Be
fucking.
more original. You don't understand that.
You don't understand that if I have a pink like this.
Just because I'm good one gun doesn't mean you are.
Oh, he's on the right side, away over. He's upside the aircraft hangar, man. The pussy boy.
Fucking charge, mother. You.
I'm cheating. Oh, damn you.
How you like that, bitch?
Good job, you finally guys got something. Still losing big time.
I'm tired, man. I'm not playing.
Okay,
proper.
blaming on you being tired.
It's fucking. It's
You weren't
fucking
tired
10
the
past
last
6 in
couple
the morning, man.
Behind. You can't charge us, so. Well, you know what? I drop you something. Stay next to it. Oh,
Where is he?
on me, here, next to you, below you, man. Fuck, man.
Damn, is this how you guys play? Holy shit.
Told you, dude. I'm just messing about.
Sure you are.
I
Why
am.
don't you play seriously then?
I'm half asleep at my fucking keyboard, man.
Oh,
This is my last game.
Having a little
We already won the night, man. It
You
was
won-
2-1 in
You
games.
lost one. And you won
2-1. We ended 2-1.
two. Yeah, but now you're gonna lose this one. It's gonna be 2-2.
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Don't. Why you kill my slave? That was mine. Blue.
Oh, I
It's
don't know
mine.
if it's his.
Blue.
I don't know. I don't use spotting flares like
Oh.
a puss, man. Where is he anyway?
Not. That's why I was trying to figure out.
Oh, he's over fucking here somewhere. He's over this side. Dun, 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 dun.
He's next to those two puppets on the. Get on the other side, like over there, man. Like over
Stop
there.
camping! Move around, man. He's coming up on you. He's there.
Oh, damn you. Nice shot.
Fuck you, dude. Are you gonna move, Kalowski, or are you just gonna stay there, man?
I'm gonna stay. Snipers are camping, man. Like,
Turn around immediately, soldier.
Got me?
on you?
Yeah.
Oh, we can't, man. We can't fucking
Where you at, little boy, Kalowski?
see this motherfucker. Yeah, of course you're gonna snipe me and I'm fucking shooting because my fucking ping is like not for sniping. Close.
It's too easy.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
I recorded that shit. That was gonna be awesome. I'm recording this match where Puppet beats you guys 1v2.
That's very good, man. Make sure you watch it over and over.
I will.
Here, I'm on the road. Come and kill me.
Stop giving up, dude.
I'm here, dude. I'm jumping up and down on the fucking road.
Why are you acting like a little girl?
Dude, I told you I'm tired.
Then go to sleep. Otherwise you're making your
I'm
teammate
just
losing.
messing about on here.
But you're making your teammate losing. Causing your teammate to lose.
Dude, you don't move though. You just stay in the same place all the time.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. I've been moving the entire match.
We spend all our time looking for
No,
you.
Papa, you don't move really, you know.
Yeah, I do. I've been moving the entire time.
And it just gets
Okay,
boring.
just play.
No, Kalowski, you don't have a kill yet.
I know. it's hard to get killed with fucking snipe with 100 ping, man.
I have 59. You have 49. I have 45.
Oh my god!
50.
I wish you would fucking
I have
understand
50.
how.
You have 50 right now. We have the same ping. So what are you talking about?
What do you mean? I
It's the
have no
same
50.
ping.
I have 100 ping right
It
now.
says
on my
for me you
screen.
have 51.
Costag is there. I fucking have enough. I'm not shooting anything.
You missed. No, did not hit me at all.
Yeah, of course. This is fucking ridiculous.
Get
This
on.
these games works like
It's
fucking
not
like.
the game. It's my
No,
skills.
it's a fucking. Oh
You'll
my
watch
god!
this,
And you're
man,
talking
watch.
to over again. Like you're fucking like an idiot sometimes. You know?
You're gonna watch this. You're gonna and
It doesn't matter,
just watch it
Papa.
from my perspective.
But it's not only your perspective. It's not like a game work. I have my perspective.
Okay, well, you see my perspective. And you see if it matches your perspective.
I'm wondering what fucking frames per second do you have? And
I
how,
don't know.
over somewhere over there, like. Do you see him?
Yeah, he's here. He's
But
on the
where?
road. On the road. Near the aircraft.
Well, and fucking, you see, it's like. I don't know.
Yeah, you press the button and it
You hit me
fucking-
once, Kalowski. You didn't hit me the second time.
I challenge you to kill him once at least, man.
You don't have a single kill, dude. I'm so dumb.
Yeah, but he's got the lag thing, man. You're
No, he
lagging this
doesn't.
fucking thing.
No, he doesn't. 50 is not bad. I had 50 and most of the time. Here, too. You guys just keep missing. That's your problem. Someone just missed me. I didn't know where you guys were.
And you had to use the knife, eh? You had to use the knife, bitch.
No, it's not about it. It's like, it doesn't matter where he throws this knife. It's just fucking, if it's your direction, you dead, man. That's how I feel it, man.
You're gonna watch the replay, and then you're gonna be like, oh shit.
Yeah, behind the fucking sheet, you know? It's just crazy.
Okay.
We should push him together, and he fucking
Yeah, why you
wants.
guys laying back? Playing like pussies, dude.
It's good that it doesn't have a progress on the.
You're gay, dude. You're horrible right now.
Yes, I am. Maybe there is a reason, yeah? Because I'm fucking better than you than in the
Okay.
solos. In the solo, so.
I hardly play solo.
Puppet, you're using fucking the same gun.
So? I'm good with
I
this.
play with different guns.
I don't
That's
care. I'm
fine.
good with my gun.
But I never master any gun.
Well, then
That's
maybe
what I'm
you
saying.
should. Maybe that's why you're losing all the time. Why are you shooting my...
You talk shit, like
What
that's
am I-
why we're losing all the time,
Why-
but you
what are my
forget that we
puppets
won
doing?
like the last two games.
What did my puppets do to you? Oh, congratulations. You won last two. Now it's gonna be even. You want to, I want to.
It's not gonna be even.
Yeah, it is. You know some way. Oh wait, you're coming back.
You wanna bet?
Where is he? Do we see him?
He's on the road, yeah. He's gonna snipe on the road.
Thanks for shooting my.
He's over there.
Fucking, I'm coming, but I'm gonna be in the open, so you know.
I'm just rushing him now, man.
Okay.
When I see him, then you'll know where he is.
Rush them together. He can't kill us both, yeah? At the same time.
I'm guessing he's up here somewhere. No, he's over here. He's lying down, man.
Oh my god!
Yeah, I
Really?
saw your bullets hit him. He should be dead.
I know, that's what I'm fucking saying.
I
This is
almost died.
brand, man.
I'm at 25 health, man.
Yeah, but we're not getting the same hit markers as you, man.
You don't
I'm
get
have
it,
a sniper
so-
and you have a machine gun.
Alright. Charge him one more time. Fuck it. Contact! Yeah, yeah, of course. I didn't even like press, you know. Fucking stupid, you know. On the top, between the plane. Don't revive me. Don't revive me. Oh my god, yeah.
Right, I hit him like fucking loads,
You-
man. He
I
don't
was
go
hiding
down. He
behind-
doesn't
I know,
fucking
that's
go
what I'm
down.
saying.
Bro, I'm too good, man. I'm sorry. Oh, you're fucking mine, dude. Piece of shit, man.
Yeah, even
You won because of a technicality in the
Sure.
game.
yeah, man.
That's all.
Okay.
That's it, man.
You can run the server if you want.
Nah, I'm going to bed.
Dang, I smoked you all. I'm sorry, but it's called skills.
No,
I'm sorry.
you never.
Called skills. I'm sorry. The scoreboard. 2 kills, 3 kills, 25.
Hey, behind us. I think behind us. I see already if you put that fucking this shit behind us. So.
Oh my gosh.
It's close.
Coming for you, motherfucker. No mercy.
I'm going on the other side.
Oh, damn it. Finally, kalowski getting some kills. It's too little, too late, though.
Maybe it's too late, but I still have fun. Kill your ass, bitch.
Hey,
Oh, behind. Fucker.
Oh my gosh, that's like this is. You should see this, bro. I'm raping these guys. 1v2.
How
No,
many
he doesn't
times you lost?
I'm
understand.
destroying you all. Oh,
How many times you lost in the time? when
2
you tried to
times.
do it?
Now on 2 games. And this is the first game I'm playing by myself against you. So. You don't play Destick?
no man, I'm tired as all get out.
Yeah, I'm going to
How was your
bed.
games, man? How was
Uh,
it focused?
really good. It was good to have a little action. Hey, this girl you posted in here, not to interrupt you, but isn't she like Russian?
Well, fucker is. I'm sorry, Dusty. Fucker is not going down. Crazy. I mean, sorry. Go ahead. No, you know I have like hard like mine's. When I play with Puppet, I always have some luck issues, and I don't know why it's going on. Like even ask them like
What a
before
game!